We're here in Brooklyn to talk about Jersey pork roll. So we imported Jersey's finest, Brad Leone. Brad's got a show called It's Alive, talking about fermented things. Yeah. Turns out this meat is also fermented and is also from Jersey. So that makes you the master of Taylor ham.
And I grew up on it, so I mean, it means a lot to me.
Let's get into figuring out what the heck goes into Taylor ham.
Yeah, let's make it.
Why do some people call it Taylor ham, some people call it pork roll?
From what I've observed, it's just a matter of how far north in the state you go. I grew up in pretty much the northernmost part of New Jersey, and I swear no one would say call it.
Oh, that's Taylor ham country.
It's Taylor ham country, big time.
Yeah.
My first job was at a deli in New Jersey, and one of the jobs was slicing Taylor ham every day. What's really specific about Taylor ham is that it has a tanginess to it.
Yeah.
And like if it has to be there.
I think this is an underrated meat product.
It's delicious.
Firmly underrated. Because you don't have enough like breakfast meat items that are fermented.
I don't really care about it.
At all. You've had it?
I've had it. I'm just trying to blow up our comment section. I think it's good, but I feel like it's a nostalgic thing.
100%. You shouldn't care about it that much. And like if you didn't grow up with it, I don't know why anyone would care about it. You can't go slicing this like mortadella. When it's done nice, it's kind of special. No, look at that. I look like a goddamn kid cut it. It's very important.
Okay.
You gotta cut the slits in it.
Okay.
Four slits.
This is so it doesn't.
So it
pull
don't
up,
cup
right?
on you. Like if you were frying bologna. All right, boom. Just, oh, that's it.
That's it. That's the
If
stuff.
it don't look like that, someone f***ed up. Yeah, see, look, that's good, nice. But you want to get it all in there, right? Yeah. Oh, there you go, there you go.
All right.
Little nibbles, I'm excited. I'm starting to get my mouth's a little tingly already and anticipating the tang.
It knows what's coming.
Oh my God, it's so good.
So salty.
It's horrible for you. That's why you need it a little thinner. Otherwise, it's like, I'm gonna die. But in the moment,
I don't think there's much spice going on.
there's tang and salt. I almost wish it was a little less salt.
It's a little intense.
It's a little much.
Let's make it a little less salty.
We got to figure out this recipe. Go to the drawing board.
We're shooting in the dark here.
Good.
All right, you're writing?
I'm ready. I think number one, pork.
Yeah, I'd say
I
that's
think
a safe bet. Salt.
Safe bet. Oh yeah. Really, number 1.5 is salt.
It's very confusing. And tang. So it's pork salt tang.
Tang, not the powdered drink mix.
That's an interesting proposal.
But pepper.
Pepper. What kind of pepper?
Do we want white and black?
And a little flick of cayenne, we thought.
I think we can do a flick. I think for a tang, you can put an equal sugar.
Equals.
We need some sugar. Our culture is we have a fast acting one, a fast fermentation one, which I think is probably what they use.
For sure. Now, as far as pork, what kind of pork you thinking, cut-wise?
We got to do shoulder, right?
Shoulder. But we're gonna go 60-40, right? Anything else?
I think a little bit of mace would be good. I think a little bit of just like
A hint.
just a whisper.
Oh, garlic.
Oh yeah.
We're in New Jersey.
It's got to be a little garlic.
Let's do fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic, onion
Bump it
powder.
I think we got everything we need.
We want to make it a little better in a way, right? Like, but kind of also like not too much, right? Like because then we're going away from
Then it's not Taylor ham.
what it is.
Yeah. So you guys want to start cutting some meat?
Yeah, let's
Great.
get into the pork.
We're going to debone a pork shoulder. I didn't come to work today to work, so you're gonna do
All
it.
right, I'll do it. Carve right down in here.
Exactly. Take the skin off, keep as much fat on there as possible.
Easier to take the skin off while the bones are still in. You get a little bit more structure. The shoulder is the ideal cut just because, well, for several reasons. You can see the amount of fat that was on it. It's a really, really nice fat cap. Normally, that's 30% fat, 70% lean. For what we're doing, we're gonna need a little bit of extra fat. In this cut, you have a lot of muscles that are starting from the neck, which is this end. And as they move their way down, they're all connected by these thin layers, thin ribbons of fat, which gives it a really, really great texture as well.
This looks great.
Not that great.
No, you're doing a great job, bud.
This is a tough one. Taking out the shoulder blade, it's a tough cookie to crack,
Oh, it's right there. Oh, that felt good.
right?
Woo!
Yeah.
Next up, we're gonna need to grind this, so would you
Cut it into pieces.
cut it into pieces?
We're really just not working today?
No, I'll do it out.
Watching this guy do it. So we'll take a look at this, eye it up, see our fat contents.
Oh, nice scale, boys.
We got 12 pounds. We're gonna go Total 24 pounds, correct?
Total 24 pounds.
We're fattening her up here.
Shouldn't be a problem with me.
God damn, guys, we like
Nailed it.
are like right on the money here.
It's no mistake. All right, so what's next, boys? We just grind this up?
To get that particle definition we were seeing in the pork roll, I think we should throw it in we have a blast chiller, just so when it goes through the grinder, it doesn't kind of, doesn't get like kind of mushy.
So it grinds nicer.
Yeah, that would be the way to say it.
All right, flash chill that.
So we have our spice list. We're gonna do the tinted cure, which is gonna keep it that nice pink that we like.
It's in Taylor ham.
Yeah, it's on the ingredient list. What's not, but we're gonna add it.
The hell is that?
That is a super binder. No flavor, has no effect whatsoever other than just binding. So since we're gonna have that 40% fat, I kind of just want a little
Security
A
blanket.
little security blanket.
I'm into that. We got a little black peppercorn.
Black pepper, we got some white pepper, we got some onion powder, we got cayenne, good spotting, seeing the little red bits.
It's always been there.
Mace that we're just gonna whisper. We got our fresh garlic. So there's a bunch of different kind of starter cultures we could use. Us boys, we got places to be.
Yeah.
Things to do. So we're gonna use the fast fermenting style. Only 42 grams is all you need for 225 kilos. So we only
little
need,
dabble, do you?
yeah. So we're gonna do like 1 gram.
Oh, that's a gram.
You think that's a gram? I'm gonna do like a little bit more.
Hey, it's got to be tangy anyway.
Get that distilled water.
Oh, why distilled water, bud?
Because tap water normally has chlorine in it, so it's supposed to kill bacteria.
Right.
We don't want to kill this bacteria. So we use distilled water, so it'll just kind of like wake it up. And then we're just gonna let that hang out for like 10 or 15 minutes.
Ready to grind?
Ready to grind?
All right. Grind it again.
Same dye? What kind of dye we use?
Same dye. We got a fine dye.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
All right, you catch it.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, this thing's no joke, huh?
Beautiful. Just like Mr. Taylor used to do.
Yeah, just like our mixer of the fat and the meat all mixed up nice, grinded. Almost looks like pork roll. I'm not even kidding. Like
We're almost there.
we're almost there. Smells good.
Smells like pork. Just gonna load this puppy up.
Want me to bring the spice kit?
Let's do it. Go ahead and throw it in.
Yeah, look, just dump it.
Yeah, just get it in there.
Sprinkle.
Yeah, like, you know, liberally. Yeah. I think we're good.
It looks great.
Oh yeah, baby.
Looks Taylor hammy.
Yeah.
So what's next? We gotta put it in the case.
Yeah, we just gotta put it in a casing and then take a few days off.
Take a few days.
Take a long
Not a
weekend.
problem.
Brent, you look like you have muscles. Do you want to grab that really heavy thing over there?
Yeah.
That big bowl of meat.
Yeah. Out of the way.
Back down, good to go?
Yeah.
All right, you want to be on the pumping end of this or the receiving end of that?
I'll pump, bud.
All right.
First of all, I don't know what this seaweed-looking casing is you got, but
This ain't no handbag.
This ain't no Taylor handbag. They used the cloth one. I'm assuming it was a difficult thing to find.
We were not able to procure it. Plus, we also already had these guys. These are our big, like, bologna mortadella ones. So
It's gonna work just fine.
you're doing this thing. So first thing you're gonna do,
Oh, it's knee activated.
knee activated. Put your hand straight out. You want to feel the air coming out until you don't feel any
we're
air, and
pushing
then
air.
stop.
Got it.
Got it. Just pull that baby all the way on. All the way on. All the way on.
Like scrunch it,
Yeah,
like a
get it
normal
in.
sausage casing.
Yeah, get it in there. Okay. I'll hold. Stop.
Yeah,
Stop.
bud. Nice.
Yeah.
Look at
Look.
that. God damn! I want to make all the stuff. Look
Right.
at that.
Look at that.
I take back all the bad I said about the casing. It'll work just fine. This is legit as boys. Is it gonna shrink a bit? No.
No, it's actually going to expand as
Yeah.
it ferments. Yeah, this is like fairly tight. It'll be like, right,
Oh,
you could
no
bounce a
kidding.
quarter off that thing.
Really?
But, yeah. Let's do a couple more.
Okay.
So boys, we got these babies here. We got 2 big boys and little Pudge.
Yeah, a little pudge.
I think 3 days is probably what we're gonna need. Guys, what a whirlwind 3 days we've had.
Yep.
We've learned, we've loved.
We
High
fermented
highs,
meat together.
Low
Yeah.
lows.
I didn't remember any lows. Do you remember any lows?
Couple lows.
Blacked
Whoa.
out there for a while.
Okay, apparently that's on me. Let's get this guy going. Oh, that is very warm and nice. I am jealous of you, pork roll.
Beautiful.
At 160 to get it to like 148, which is where we want to be, probably like 5 hours.
Cool. I'm excited to try this.
All right, that's our 3 day. 3 days right there. Do you want to do the honors?
I know you should.
Okay.
You should. Oh, you're gonna cut right in the middle.
I mean, I was thinking about it.
All
Yeah.
right, yeah.
Do it.
Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna eat this whole thing.
Yeah.
Where we cut it.
Nice slice with confidence. Whoa! Ah, damn Taylor ham, bud.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me smell. That looks great. Yeah. Nice bindage. Throw that on the deli slicer. Katay.
That is a very good deli slicer sound.
Hatay. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Nailed, even though it almost looks identical. The little speckle, the little subtle cayenne or whatever it is, speckle. I feel pretty good. Yeah.
I feel like we did the Lord's work here today.
Yes, you're right. This is fantastic. It does look a little bit more, it looks more like Genoa.
Yeah, I think you're right. There's a little bit more air in mine.
Probably from the fermentation.
The one we made, there's a little bit more air in it.
Oh, the casing peels off real nice.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that, bud, huh? We're gonna see how it's gonna needs to crisp up. I don't think that'll be a problem.
Yeah.
But let's see if we achieve the proper tangage. No, I'm slicing like hell. This is critical. This looks great, guys.
I'm proud of us.
Look at that. This is not an easy task either. Recreate something that's almost impossible. Oh yeah.
Is it?
Oh, it's there, boys. It smells just like Taylor ham.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not just blowing
No.
smoke?
Feels right. Looks right.
Wow, cheers.
Bing, boom.
Let's hope we got that tang.
I think the flavor's real nice. Like you kind of, it's not like super overpowering by any means. Everything is subtle and balanced. But afterwards it lingers and you do get, the tang is there. I would go another day.
Another day.
4 day.
Maybe 5.
What do you think New Jersey would think about this?
Oh, the hell with them. No. I think we'd get a lot of criticism. But but that's New Jersey in a nutshell, I guess, right? Like they're a real proud people. If it had the more of a emulsified texture, home run, boys.
A finer grind, I don't think we need to change the
The flavor's
flavors.
perfect.
Yeah, spicy is fantastic.
The salt level is perfect.
Yeah.
We can't let you leave without actually making the real deal sandwich. Okay. So
The real deal or my preferred?
your preferred.
If I'm going to Leone and Sons Sandwich Shop,
This is on the menu.
this is on the menu. This is the one.
Yeah,
Done. Let's do it.
yeah.
All right.
You guys are in for a real freaking treat, I'll tell you.
What's your sandwich? What's your move?
Taylor ham, mustard, toasted everything bagel.
You're wild, man. You're wild.
Oh, it's good. And that's how you stack them. That's how it goes.
Nothing else?
No. Yeah, cut it up. Yeah, that's it.
Let's eat it.
Right?
You're right.
That's a great ham sandwich. If this were not presented as something that came from a fancy butcher.
All right, I sat down
What do you
and
think?
this came wrapped in tin foil in the
hey,
bagel already.
yeah.
Sandwich is
Oh, we're
done.
going fishing. Hey,
Right.
Brad,
Here's
have a
your-
sandwich.
And I'd be like, oh, dude, you got me Taylor ham and mustard on an everything bagel?
Would it pass?
Visually, I would say yes. All right, boom, it's definitely Taylor ham. I would bite it and say, what brand is this?
Oh.
So we made pork roll, not Taylor ham.
No,
God
no.
Damn it!
No, that's not the point. Nailed it. Nailed it. We're perfect, guys.
We're perfect. Oh my god.
It's a wrap.
God, I love us. I love us.
Wow.
Yeah.